Three.
Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil for the Land Rover Discovery Sports. Now I'll show you what we need. This is the oil filter range. I bought it from eBay, about 10 pounds. And then filter, and then the oil. You have to check the manual what kind of oil for your car, because it says here you should use Castrol 0W-30. okay, and here this is the vacuum for the oil. You no need to go under your car, you just vacuum the oil from the dipstick, the oil dipstick. Okay, gets? Okay, guys, this is the
Filter.
there you go. This is the oil filter. You see that? You see that? The one. Okay. You have to turn. Hello guys. Okay, I will remove the oil filter cup. Counterclockwise. There you go. This is the filter. And now let's get to the dipstick. Let's just remove this first. Let's get at the dipstick to extract the oil. This is the vacuum. You can buy this on eBay. Oil vacuum. This one goes to the dipstick. And then this one. And then you pump it. You can see the oil coming. Because the manual, it says 6.5 liters oil. So I bought 10 liters of castor oil. Now this is the filter. While you're waiting to empty the engine oil, you have to put this on. Now it's clockwise, turn clockwise. Turn clockwise. That's it. Okay, I just put the filter there, and then now all the oil from the engine all here. But the question is, how did you know it's empty, the engine oil? You will feel the bubbles coming out when you pump it, and then the bubbles, you will feel the bubbles, meaning it's empty. So now you have to remove it now. You have to be careful. And now let's put the oil. There you go. This is 5, oh, only 4 liters. See that?
Go.
But you can put the oil straight to the engine. Yeah, 4 liters, another 2,
Coming.
another 2 coming, and that's it, finished. I hope you enjoy, and any question, just message me.